Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I will show how to fix Snapchat, which does not open, does not work on iPhone or iPad. If you have any problems or have errors, crashes, and so on with the application Snapchat, then I will show you how to solve it. Let me know if my solution helped you, if it worked for you. If you have any questions, let me know below in the comments. I will read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel and like it. Let's get started. First method. We open Snapchat and it will fly out. What we need to do is to pinch the icon, click Remove App and delete. After that, go to Apple Store, find Snapchat and download it again. The second way is to also go to Apple Store, find Update, and update Snapchat itself. It says Update. You have to update it. One more way. It may be a crash in the Snapchat application itself, so you need to wait for a while. Maybe 15 minutes, maybe an hour. After that, you go in, and it will automatically update itself, and you can use it. The method is as follows. Raise the curtain down, click on airplane mode, turn off Wi-Fi. After that, for about 10 seconds, turn it on airplane mode, turn it off. And then maybe this method will work. And the other thing is to go to Settings on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down. General. iPhone Storage. Snapchat. And this is where we need to unload this app. Once we unload it, all of our documents and data will still be there. Don't worry. It'll just clear the cache. Then we'll hit Reload and download the Snapchat app. So we could fix the Snapchat app not opening, or doesn't work on an iPhone or iPad. Let me know if my solution helped you, if it worked for you, and also write in the comments. I will definitely read and respond. Subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Thank you all for watching. See you later. Goodbye.